Hey beautiful people, join me as I slay this short hair. I am going to be twisting this hair down with a Cuban Mali hair. You know the Mali hair, this is the Cuban brand, right? And what I just do basically is braid down the hair until it passes my hair. I'll braid really tight until it passes my hair. Then when I pass my hair or something close to that, I'll just twist it really lightly to give it this puff up, not really twisted kind of look. Okay, so I was just doing this, watching TV. I've been doing my hair for a while, so I kind of not have my way around it. So I just sat down and not really looking at the mirror towards doing the back, and then I just like twisted. I don't mind the back being free parted or whatever, but then when I get to the front, I'll use a mirror. This is me in my salon, just using the mirror in front of me to kind of like get the pattern for the front, because I'm more concerned about the front. Okay, so guys, stay tuned so you can see the finished product and let me know if you like this. Yes, I've decided to start making my hair, and this is the first style I am doing on my hair. Many more DIY videos to come, so please guys, stay tuned. Okay, so yes guys, this is the final braids. Finally, whoo. Guys, if you're struggling, you're trying to make your hair, just make sure you have TV, some form of entertainment or something. And that was what I was doing, just binge watching, and woo, I was done. So I went ahead, I didn't video that part. I went ahead to curl the ends, because I wanted that little curls, but at the very end. And yes guys, look at the finished look. This is me slaying with this look. Let me know what you think. Would you be trying this? Yeah,